Hello, Barry Anderson from Trade Ideas with today's edition of What Makes This Trade Great. And we've got ILAG, which is a new issue, not today, but I think a couple of days ago. And so what happened? Well, it kept winning races. Let me just show what I'm talking about. Started winning races left and right. It's already won 8 races today. Not saying this was easy, but this was the opening 15-minute candle, and it kept moving from $3 all the way up to $4.42 before it is pulled back. So, I typically don't trade that early, but this looked very, very juicy. 8 races, and now that it's won, but at the beginning of the day, it kept winning the race over and over and over again, and so that's why I hopped on it. So that's why ILAG certainly was the trade that I wanted to concentrate on, and a lot of people took that one. So want to get back into the room again. Races, guys, give it a shot. Go to our guide and click on the TI stock races. Give it a shot. I'll open the room tomorrow at 8 o'clock. I hope to see you then. Bye bye.